Simplify the expression. Which of the following is the expression in simplest form? So I have some negative exponents, and we remember we treat those like crying babies, and that if a baby is crying, it means it either needs to go down for a nap, so down into the denominator, or be picked up because it just woke up and it's hungry. Okay, so um, we're gonna deal with negative exponents in the parentheses first. It's not the only way to do this problem. There's more than one approach, but I'm going to deal with the negative exponents that are in the parentheses first by moving them to the denominator. Okay, so I've got, still have this -4 that I'm not dealing with yet. And I want to keep the 3 because that does not have a negative exponent on it, so it stays where it is. The x to the 8 is going to move down into the denominator and the baby stops crying. The y to the 4th stays in the numerator because that baby's happy. And then the z to the -6, we move that down and it becomes positive. So I have no crying babies within that parentheses anymore. But now I have to deal with this -4. Um, so I have two options. I can either flip this whole fraction over and make this a +4. That's probably the easiest. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to flip the whole fraction over. So I have x to the 8th, z to the 6th, over 3y to the 4th, and raise that to the +4. And then I have to raise every term, every factor in the parentheses to the 4th power. So when you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. So 8 times 4 is 32. So this is going to be x to the 32, z to the 24, 3 to the 4th, which is 81, and then y to the 16th, because we're raising that 4 to the 4. Multiply the exponents, you get 16. Okay, so that is option A.